Did you know that our brain is quite the drama king when it comes to stress and mood? Conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, and bipolar disorder can turn our mental landscape into a roller coaster of anxiety, panic attacks, and even chronic gastrointestinal symptoms. But don't worry, there's good news hiding in the science. Imagine the hippocampus as your brain's memory librarian, busy managing everything from learning to emotional regulation. When stress hits hard, it can mess with mitochondrial function, the tiny power plants inside our cells, leading to an increase in reactive oxygen species that cause biochemical damage. This mitochondrial turmoil can impair ATP production, the energy currency of our brain, which in turn hampers neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire and adapt. Now, these mitochondria aren't just energy factories. They also regulate cell health through membrane permeability and pore-related proteins like the voltage-dependent anion channel and adenine nucleotide translocase. When these go awry, it can trigger apoptosis or cell death, which isn't exactly what you want when trying to keep your brain healthy. But here's where it gets interesting. Physical exercise acts like a superhero for your brain. Regular movement boosts neurotrophic factors like brain-derived neurotrophic factor, promoting neurogenesis and strengthening synapses, those tiny communication points between neurons. Think of it as giving your brain a boost of biofriendly fuel, improving not only cell elasticity and intracellular calcium buffering, but also enhancing long-term and short-term neuroplasticity. Studies using multimodal neuroimaging like blood oxygen level and gray matter volume scans show that exercise and therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy can positively influence the amygdala, anterior cingulate cortex, and insula, key regions involved in fear, anxiety, and emotional regulation. This can reduce neural reactivity and help tame the overactive amygdala, making you less susceptible to stress-induced chaos. So whether you're tackling anxiety with anxiolytic treatments or working up your mental health with a bit of cognitive therapy, remember that boosting mitochondrial health, increasing neurotrophic factors, and staying active can turn that mental roller coaster into a smoother ride. After all, a healthy brain is your best ticket to feeling good and staying resilient.